Let me tell you how this gorgeous and delicious vanilla chiffon cake with strawberry cream cheese filling, strawberries, and whipped cream frosting came about. Just a few days ago, my favorite little person, who just turned 2 not too long ago, told his daddy that he was getting smarter. And let me tell you why I most definitely agree. As some of you know, my dad was in the hospital for a little over a week due to diverticulitis. Is that how you say it? I don't ever want to know how badly that hurts, but according to my auntie, who's had 5 kids and diverticulitis, she said it hurts worse than giving birth. So I'll just take her words for it. Well, I want to sincerely thank all of you for your love and prayers for my dad. I truly do believe in the power of prayers because I'm telling you, my dad was not feeling well at all. Like he had no strength, he could barely get up, and he couldn't even eat. But after all your prayers, he absolutely started getting better. And so much so that he was able to come home like a day later. So thank you so much, God, for all your love and blessings. During his hospital stay, my little nephew had visited my dad, and bless his sweet little heart, he had so much concern for his grandpa. Well, after his grandpa was finally able to go home, I went to visit my dad. And my little 2-year-old was there, and he tells me and his mama he wants to sing happy birthday out of the blue. Okay, so we look at each other like, sure, but it's not anyone's birthday. But me and his mom indulged him anyway and sing happy birthday with him. Later, he runs over to tell me he now wants to sing happy birthday to his grandpa and runs off again to play. Then he comes back a little bit later and tells me, Auntie Bobo, I want candy cake, which I told him I would make for him. He runs off again to play just as quickly as he came, and a little bit later he comes back and tells me, but he wants frosting and he wants to blow out candles. So I said, okay, fine. But now after the fact, I'm thinking every time he ran off, was that to ponder new ideas? Did I just get suckered by a brilliant 2-year-old to bake him a cake to celebrate his grandpa, whose birthday isn't even for another few months? And this kid remembers everything, okay? So if you tell him you're going to do something for him, you better do it. Because if you don't, he'll remind you multiple times. This thoughtful little 2-year-old is so very charismatic. I'm telling you, he loves his grandpa and he loves his family so deeply. He loves everybody being around him like all the time. He has no social battery drainage. He remembers everyone's name, all of his aunties, all of his uncles, all of his cousins, and he has a lot of us, okay? His love languages are acts of service and quality time already. So of course, I made him this cake and he got to sing happy birthday to his grandpa and blow out a candle. After I served everyone cake, and of course he wanted 2 slices, I was in the kitchen alone putting stuff away. He was so happy, he runs up to me and tells me, Auntie Bobo, the cake was so yummy. He just melts my heart. So his gratitude was all worth it for me to be such a sucker for him.